Welcome to Bodoland Research. I hope you are doing good. Today we will talk about the upcoming parliament sessions. As you know, we have two members in the parliament, Shri Joyanta Basumatary in the Lok Sabha and Shri R. Narzary in the Rajya Sabha. And you also know that parliament session will start on Monday, July 22, 2024. I am very anxious. What questions our elected members will ask in the parliament? You respected might have understood what I am saying. Are they ready at all? According to me, it is little late to be ready. They might miss the opportunity. I might be wrong, but I have not seen respected members' readiness. Let me try and give a live demonstration what I am saying to you. Let us browse Digital Sansad website. On this website we can see the questions all members will ask in the parliament. These questions are published to the general public much before the session begins. Okay, now we on the website. Are you seeing any questions from our respected members? No, I do not see any. That is the point. Where are the respected members? Once again, why respected members are not asking questions? Will they ask questions in future? Who will ask our questions in the parliament? Who will solve our problem if not them? Thank you very much. Take care of yourself.